Hey love, Miss Deal Finder here. Today's video is a bit different. I'm actually doing a collab video with DIY Amateur on YouTube. She reached out to me and she was like, hey, let's do a spring wreath video purchasing items from Dollar Tree. This right here cost me about $4 to make. Actually, it cost me $8 to make because I previously made one and I lost the footage and there was a lot going on. So I decided to make a second one. This right here is very easy, nothing complicated. All you have to do is follow along, and trust me, this will take you less than 15 minutes. There's a lot of mess that's involved. That's why I placed some paper on my counter just so I could, you know, when I'm done, just ball it all up and throw it away. All I'm doing right now is just gluing the wood wreath. Is that called? Yeah, that is called a wreath. And I'm just gluing it around the back, just as I had done in the front. And clearly, as you can see, I'm telling you guys, do not buy this glove because it didn't even last me 10 minutes and already had a hole in the hand. So I purchased that in a garden area, and trust and believe, I would not be buying it. It's cute and all, but I won't be buying it again. So right now, I'm just going to put the glue in a zigzag motion, and I'll be putting the moss over it. And I'm filling it up as, you don't have to put as much as I did. I just didn't want to see no wood. If you want to, you could do half, you could do a little bit, you could do a lot, you could do more, you could do less. It's really up to your preference and whatever your style is. The only thing I would have done different, in the beginning of the video, I was showing you the items that I was going to use. I purchased this green twine. I wanted to use that to kind of wrap it around the moss in the wreath so it could kind of give it a little bit more security for it to stay on there. And this way I wouldn't have used that much glue. However, I should have done that before I glued the board to the wreath. So I ended up not using that, but you know, save yourself the trouble. So right now, this is very self-explanatory. I'm just going around the areas that's missed, the areas that need a little bit more moss. I'm just adding a little bit more greenery to it, just so I can fill in those spaces, because you will have a little bit of gap here and there. So all you have to do, add glue, keep stuffing. And trust me, if you try to do this bare hand, you will get burned, because I did. So that's the purpose of the glove. How pretty it looks, you guys. You could stop right there, but I wanted to take it a step further. I made a bow, you know, very simple. I don't even need to do a separate video for it. It was so simple and so basic. All I did was take this burlap that I found again at Dollar, this burlap ribbon, and I glued it together. And then I took another piece, glued that in the center. Then I took another piece, I took two other pieces, glued it under it, and that was my bow. If there's an easier way to make it, maybe there's a video out there on YouTube, but this was my way. So I don't judge my bow, okay? Leave my bow alone, because the bow did the job. So basically, all I'm doing right now is taking that piece, gluing it in the back, you know, that little piece for the center, and then look, this thing burns, okay? This thing was hot. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. It's hot. If I tried to use it on a low setting, maybe it wouldn't have worked. But right now, this is the bow. I'm just gluing it on the wreath. Very, very simple. I don't even need to put anything to hang it, because what I did was, clearly you can see on top the little blue ribbon. Well, that came with the board. It came with the sign. So I just left it on there, and then ta-da! Here you go. Celebrate everything. This only costs $4. It's quick, it's simple, and it's easy. Here we go. If you like this video, please leave it in a comment. Let me know what you think. Will you try it? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Miss Deals Finder. I want to hear from you guys. And don't forget to go check out DIY Amateur. Thank you for watching, you guys.